Do you know many people are having trouble with safely disconnecting their Kindle? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect Kindle. Connect your Kindle to your computer with a USB cable. It will appear as a removable drive. Step 2. Charge fully. Charge your Kindle fully and ensure it's recognized by your computer. Step 3. Eject safely. Safely eject the Kindle from your computer. Use Safely Remove Hardware on Windows or Eject on a Mac. Step 4. Unplug cable. Unplug the USB cable from your Kindle and the computer. Step 5. Normal mode. Your Kindle will exit USB drive mode and return to the normal use state. After following these steps, your Kindle should be safely disconnected and ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Amazon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.